Welcome back guys, this is Ankit Dhaka. Today we are going to complete our next task, task 7. In this task we are going to predict the stock market prediction using the numerical and textual analysis. So before start this task, who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now first we are going to import all the important libraries. Uh, this is all the important libraries, and then this is the second step where we need to import the data set. So using the pandas data reader, we can import our data set, and let me tell you how we can download the data set. So this is the task link. So now similarly you just need to import the second data set also, and check the common information of the first data set. So this line of code will help you, and similarly you just need to group the headline of, for each days. Okay, so this is the new data set, and this line for checking the duplicate values, so there is no any duplicate values in date and news. This is our length of our data set. Similarly, this is the common information for the second data set, and this is the we have described the data set. Similarly, the duplicate values, and this is the length of our second data set, and this is the figure plot. Okay, so after that we have removed unwanted characters from the news using this line of code. Okay, then this is the historical analysis, and we have plotted the moving average. This is all is visualization part, and hope you aware about it, and we already done the same part in our previous task also. And then we have removed some unwanted characters, and the historical analysis, and visualize all the moving average and everything, and then we have plot the returns. And now turn to train and test split, and this line of code will help you to split our train and test of our data set. So then we need to find the rolling mean and standard deviation. So this line of code will represent. Okay, so now we have used auto to make prediction using the log data. Okay, so this is the train log difference, and this is that our test, and okay, and then this is all the code to make the prediction. This is our error calculation, and this is our textual analysis, and this line we have it's sentiment score of our data set. And now we have merged the historical and textual data, and now we have the full data set. So after create a full data set, we need to create a data set for model training using some of columns like the clause, subjectivity, polarity, like that. And now we have normalized the data set, and now we have split the data set into train and test data, and using the random forest regression model we can make prediction. And this is the decision tree regression model. Now we have used ADA boost regression model, and and we have tried with LGBM regression model also, and XGB regression model. And after used all the model, we have find a conclusion, and where all the, so this is the conclusion. And who need this code, uh, please go and visit my the GitHub account, and you can download it. This is my public account. Thank you. Thank you so much.